Good morning, you guys. Good morning. How are you guys doing? I'm doing well. And guess what, you guys? I just studied right now and it's 8 o'clock. I overslept today. My alarm didn't go off, I think, because I didn't hear nothing. I usually, like, every time when it goes off, I have to hear. I have an order, yo. Wait. An order, that's why I went to check it out, but I don't want to take it. So anyway, my alarm, like usually every time my alarm goes off, I have to hear it, but this one, I didn't. So my kids was late to school. I have to drop them to school. We usually wake up 6 o'clock, and I woke up 7:38, you guys. So my kids was late to school. Anyway, let's start this shift. Let's make money. Let's make money. Let's make money. Let's make money, you guys. I'm so excited for today. It's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, like let me be sure. Let me go check what date it is. Oh, October 30th. Oh my gosh. Today is October 30th, you guys. 30. Wow. So I'm on my way at Walmart right now to give my first order. It's another money making day. I'm so excited. So excited for today. The order are gonna be flowing like this. Amen. Somebody said in the comment that my area, the Walmart that I work in, like my area is very good because I keep getting orders. For her, she doesn't get orders. My dear, if you have another Walmart or different Walmarts to your area, go check them out, because for me, I had to go check another Walmart out because the Walmart that I used to, I have an order, you guys. Bad order. So the Walmart that I used to work at, you guys, oh my, it has a lot of people. You've been seeing a lot of people outside, a lot of people sitting, waiting for orders. So I was like, we are a lot over here. So, because in my area we have like 5 different Walmart that we can go work on. 5 of them. So I had to choose one within that 5 Walmart to go try it out. And guess what? I don't be seeing that much people that I see to my other Walmart. You know? Over to this Walmart, I barely don't see people. Yes, they are there, but I don't be seeing them sitting outside. But my other Walmart, like 10 people sitting outside waiting for orders. So, and you be waiting for order, you're not getting order, or I don't know what was going on to that Walmart, to be honest. But before, the order was coming back to back too. But in a few weeks ago, like order stopped coming in, and I see like new people every day on that Walmart. So I was like, I need to do something. I need to go to different Walmarts, and I'm planning this one too. If I see like it's getting slower, I'm gonna have to go to another Walmart to just try it out, you know. It's 8:45. People are not buying groceries today. I haven't get no orders, you guys. 8:45. I need order. I really need order. Is it because I came late? Ooh, the sun, you guys. You see I did my chair? I'm like, I'm ready. I'm ready to take a nap if this order not coming in. Give me an order! God. I need an order, you guys. I need order. It's 8 in the morning and I need an order. Even bad ones, they're not coming in. The sun. Even the bad orders, they're not popping in. I need to see at least bad orders coming in. You know what I'm saying? Just got our first order of the day, you guys. It's 8:50 and I just got my first order of the day, and it's $26. $26, and it's going 8 miles, and we're dropping 2 drops. good orders. Good orders. I'm not complaining. Good orders. So the pickup time is 9 o'clock. The pickup time is 9 o'clock, and let me wait for this 15 minutes. I hope they're not gonna take another 15 minutes to bring my order. I hope as soon as 9 o'clock hit, they're gonna bring my order. Let's hope that. Now it's 9:08. They just finished loading my my deliveries, and in my first stop, I'm going 7 minutes. 7 minutes, you guys. That's for my first drop off. I'm trying to ring the doorbell, but because I need to verify an ID, and it's been a minute, so I'm trying to give them 5 more minutes. If they don't come answer the door, I'm gonna return this because I need to verify the ID because they bought this wine. It's in the morning, so I think he was still sleeping, you guys, because I kept ringing the doorbell. And at some time I thought the doorbell was not working. I had to knock, so, and he finally came. So I think he was still sleeping. He said, I'm so sorry. Yep, that's what happened. Sometimes you knock, they're not there, and you have to return it, because that order is one of those orders that I need to check the ID, because it has some wine in it. There was water splashing. I thought it was gonna get on me. It's now 10:50. I just got my second order. Just got my second shopping order. It's a shopping order, and $16, going 5 miles. And I'm going to shop for 19 items, you guys. It's slow, but we're gonna be here. We're gonna be in a car. It's 12 right now, you guys. It's 12 and I'm sitting on $42. I need order! Did they hear me? Yo, it's slow. It's slow there. I have read books. I have went to social media. I have writing my dreams and goals and whatever, but I'm tired now. Now I don't got nothing to do. What should I do now? I have read. I don't want to read anymore. I went to social media. I don't want to go on social media anymore. I'm tired. What do they want me to do? I need an order. Ooh, I just received an order, guys. Hold on. Yo, I think they heard me. Oh, okay. I'm gonna start doing this trick. I think they heard me. It was an order, and good order. $30, and it's going 9 miles within 2 drops. Wow, they heard me. So I'm gonna start doing that to see if we can attract more orders. Oh my god, I have been sitting here like almost 2 hours without no orders. I started 8 today, and right now it's almost 1. Like it's 12:40. Yep. So let's see how the day gonna play out. You never know. As I say, Walmart have too many surprises. Spark has too many. You never know. Just stay at Walmart. Do not give up. Do not go nowhere. For example, if I go home, I'm going to sit down because I'm going to sit down or maybe do chores or watch TV. So I better sit here at Walmart and wait for orders. Okay. And go home when it's time to go home. That's how I be making my money. I sit at Walmart, stay at Walmart, order or no order, I stay here, you guys. So my pickup time is 12:55, and right now it's like the last time I checked was 12:40. So I don't know what time is it right now. So anyway, let me wait for this order. So you guys, I'm done delivering all my drops. It was 2 drops. So right now it's 1:23, you guys, and I'm about to take a little break because I gotta go take care of things at home. They just called me, and I'm not sure what time I'm gonna be back, but I know I'm gonna be back. I just don't know what time I'm gonna be back or how long it's gonna take me. So I see you guys when I'm back. You guys, after 1 hour, I am back. I am back at my spot. It's 2:57, so I am back, and I just received an order, $22, going 9 miles, and 3 drops. So I'm just waiting for them to bring it out because my pickup time it's already passed. I was supposed to pick it up 2:55, so right now it's 2:57. So I'm here waiting. So I hope this afternoon the order gonna come back to back, and I think this order is gonna put us on a 90 something. If it's not 1 something, let me go double check. Yep, this order it just put us on $94. 94 at almost 3. So I don't know about today. Let's wait and see how the day is gonna play out. Yo, thank God I'm delivering this place daytime, y'all. Oh Lord, if it was at night, y'all, I would be so scared. This person lives like in the middle of the woods. Oh my gosh. Thank God it's not at night. You see that? It's the only house over here. The only house over here. Like in the middle of the woods. Ooh. Yo, I feel like this order took me like very long time. I just finished now delivering it, and right now it's like 4 o'clock. They said 9 miles. I think it was over the 9 miles, to be honest. It was over the 9 miles. They be lying. Like, they be lying. What? Now I'm trying to go back, and I have to drive like 15 minutes to go back there, and right now it's 4, so this order really wasted my time. Like, they lied. I think altogether it was like 12 miles, 13 miles. It was not only 9 miles. Nope, there's no way. Another order, you guys, a shopping order, and it was shopping for 7 items. It's $11, and it's going 1 mile. If it's not 2 miles, I don't remember. So let me go ahead and put everything in here, and it's time to carry. I'm just carry with everything. It's gonna be easier. We just received another order, you guys. $15. It's a shopping order. And I'm shopping for 7 items. It's only going 2 miles. To 32 right now, 5:32, you guys, and I just received my last order of the day, $27, and it's a shopping order, and we're going to shop for 27 items. Last order of the day, you guys. Oh my gosh, yo, the parking lot is full. I'm parking far away from the entrance. Got one. Today, I don't know, let me scratch first. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you how much we made later when I'm done with this order. You guys, it's 6 right now. 6, and I'm done. I'm done for today. Today was a super slow day. Very slow, and I managed to make from 8 to 12, and from 2 to 6. Managed to make 148. I think it's still good though. Yeah, otherwise very slow, and we made it. 148 from 8 to 12, and from 2 to 6. So anyway, guys, if you enjoy my video, please don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment down below. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.